Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the Alo Yoga Ribbed Seacoast long sleeve dress. Now I have this material or design in a t-shirt style and I really love it, so I thought I was gonna really like the dress as well and figured I needed to give it a try. These were just recently launched, and when I actually went to return them, the girls in the store were really excited to see them as well. Now, you will see that my biggest qualm with these is that they're actually see-through, so I don't particularly know where you're wearing these. Another thing that I was trying to figure out was, when are you wearing this long sleeve dress that is really short? So I'm not entirely sure how to style this or where to wear this, and that's kind of why I ended up returning them ultimately. So it is a really lightweight material, so the long sleeve is not entirely quote-unquote useless. I do think if you live in a kind of spring year-round or with a really nice spring climate, this could be really great for you. So don't let me deter you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have this, if you are thinking of picking it up, or if you see like a really clear use case for it. Overall, I was pretty bummed that I didn't end up liking this because I do really loved the ribbed Seacoast material, and I have it in quite a bit of colors and styles: short sleeve, long sleeve, ruched side, the works. So I really do recommend this material usually. It's just putting this one on, I didn't see the use case. So let's go ahead and pop it on so you can get a glimpse for yourself. Now, as I mentioned, it was see-through, so I did have to try it on with the slip underneath. So first up, this is the white or ivory color. I also noticed it had really long sleeves. Now I did pick up the size small, which I think I usually wear in the t-shirts as well. So maybe I should have tried this in an extra small, but I think it would have been absolutely way too short, at least for my liking, in that size. Now beyond that, just the ratio of length of the arm versus length of the dress just kind of confused me. Like, is it meant to be smaller? So is it meant to be, you know, regular size sleeves, but then an even shorter dress? So you just let me know in the comments below. Is this the trend? Like, are we trending towards really short mini dresses? But then this is an athletic dress, so like where are we wearing this? Is it a cover up? Like, if this is a cover up or a beach cover up, maybe if it gets a little chilly and we want something with long sleeves, I could see that happening. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Overall, I really did like both colorways. I felt like the black is pretty versatile. The white is cute if you have something that you want to show underneath, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.